Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers, the Euhomy Compact Dryer and the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or RV, finding the right dryer is essential. Let's get started. The Euhomy Compact Dryer boasts a capacity of 1.8 cubic feet, allowing it to hold up to 10.5 pounds of wet clothes. This makes it suitable for larger loads, perfect for regular use. In contrast, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for light clothing and quick drying. If you need to dry more clothes at once, the Euhomy is the better choice. When it comes to power, the Euhomy Compact Dryer operates at 1020 watts, providing efficient drying capabilities. On the other hand, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer has a lower power rating of 600 watts, which may affect its drying efficiency. If you prioritize quick drying times, the Euhomy's higher power output is a significant advantage. The Euhomy Compact Dryer offers 7 drying modes, including options for anti-wrinkle and eco-friendly drying, making it versatile for various fabrics. In contrast, the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer features only 2 drying modes, but includes a convenient remote control for ease of use. Depending on your drying needs, the Euhomy provides more options, while the Apto VPVP excels in portability. In conclusion, both the Euhomy Compact Dryer and the Apto VPVP Portable Clothes Dryer have their unique advantages. The Euhomy is ideal for those who need a powerful dryer with a larger capacity, while the Apto VPVP is perfect for those seeking a budget-friendly, portable option for small loads. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.